Our accountant just called, said,
we got the green guts, baby. We're talking money green.
He's like, hey, I'm in the market for a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and talked him into buying this beauty.
What was life like for you on a day-to-day? Because I want you to really put in perspective for people out there that it's not easy.
we're in a mad ghetto area right now. In Wolner Ave, bro. $1 million Lambo. That's how it goes, guys. Mobile service right away. We send our dispatch out. Our accountant just called. He said, I got a flat tire. I said, no problem, baby. Where you at? We have the tire in stock as well. Driver loaded up the tire. If the tire's not repairable, we'll sell the tire. If it's repairable, we're gonna arrive on site, repair it, and off you go, baby.
Alright, so typically I come out, talk, oh, we did a set of rims, blah, 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 and I run away. However, this 89 Honda Civic is gonna be a little bit different. For this project has been an ongoing project for the past 2 years. One of my close clients reached out to me. He's like, hey, I'm in the market for a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Can you help me spec it out? And when he came to me with that, I knew that he's had a lifelong dream of owning an 89 Honda Civic, and talked him into buying this beauty. So behind me, we got an 89 Civic SI, original SI. This car has gone through an extensive restoration with getting brand new OEM windows from Honda, brand new sunroof from Honda. He's reinstalled the OEM stereo, the OEM steering wheel, brand new OEM shifters, seats, everything, center console, everything has been brought back to original. The vehicle's been repainted. Headlights and taillights all brand new from Honda. Most of these parts were very difficult to come by. Most of the stuff was the last up available in all of North America, if not the world. For engine wise, we ended up going with a B20 bottom with a GSR head, Type R transmission, Mishimoto rad, and the list goes on and on and on. So for the wheels, we decided to go with the MV Forged Heritage Series HS01. We went back and forth with the engineers over at MV Forged to accommodate this design in a 15-inch. So we had to delete a couple of spokes, make some minor changes to the design so that it can be made in a 15-inch spec. Typically, the MV Forged Heritage Series is offered between 18-inch to 24-inch, but doing what I do best, I make things happen. So I made sure that my client was able to get a unique set of wheels, a one-of-one set that hasn't been done, and we went for a completely unique look. So I hope you guys are just as happy as I am to see this project completed. Take a look at it, enjoy it, and hopefully next year you'll be seeing me with it at a couple of different car shows. For all you youngins watching, we used to do up Hondas and we used to modify them like crazy back in the day. So I'm glad that this car came by for you guys to see, because a lot of the younger generation never got to experience what we got to experience, and hopefully things go back to that so the new generation gets to experience what we got to experience.
EV gang, baby, SF90s and the scooter. Let's go. Alright guys, my bro over here, SF90, got the wheels jammed up by the valet. Unfortunate part, it's the OEM full carbon fiber wheels. but we are the wheel magicians. We made it happen for him. He brought him in. We did a full repair on the carbon fiber wheel. Come with me. I'll show you guys. You could not tell what was done. That's how good the work is. The quality control that we put out, especially on a vehicle like this, where you got the OEM carbon fiber wheels. Curb rash, see you later. And that's how it goes, baby. You guys got a Ferrari? I'm stuck in between two of them right now, so clearly we're the right spot. Big or small, we do it all, baby.
Not the end of the road. It's not that many wheels. It's only 42 boxes, so it'll be literally
It's up to
4 piles of 10. Holy smokes! I didn't even do that on purpose. Yo, this car's crazy. Holy. Yo, that's bro. Crazy, bro. That's fucking nuts. They're like, yo, call me when you're coming, so we know to. Oh, I said, bro, you're gonna hear me. Don't worry. That's how we rollin', baby. Premier Tires at the fucking headquarters. Let's fucking go.
What up, dude? Yo, this thing's up.
That's how we roll, baby.
Oh. That's how we pulling up, eh?
That's it.
That's how we pulling up, eh? This
How are
thing's
you, my
up. What's up, baby?
Thank you for having us.
Of course, man.
So then in the front here, we just have some of the team here.
Hello, team.
This is Carmen.
How are you guys? I like that. I like that.
So some of the spot up here. So this is the pod
right.
room, fully loaded in here. We also rent this out per hour and stuff like that too, but we use it a lot, obviously, for our content, our clients. So
you could tell, like, once you come in here, it's like deadening.
Oh,
It's like
sound
the sound
proof and
just
everything,
yeah,
right?
the echo is dead.
Yep. I wanted to have you on the pod because I've been watching you and your business, I would say for like 5-6 years now. I've been following you guys. And to me, it's super impressive what you built.
Long and behold, I got this tire job, and I'll be honest with you, man. I actually remember exactly one day, and I got up, and I'm 16, and I got up and I looked at this place. Literally, I got up like this, and I said, man, I can't do this forever, you know?
Yep.
Okay. And I'm gonna be very honest. When I let things get to my head, when I realized I was that guy for so many people, I got a little bit arrogant. Okay.
What was life like for you on a day-to-day? Because I want you to really put in perspective for people out there that it's not easy. What would you say to someone watching right now that might want to get into the same business you did? What kind of advice would you have?
That's great. If you want to get into this type of business, come and reach out to me. I can put you on. You can be a part of my team. Within a couple months, you'll know if it's for you, and I'll know if it's for you. And if it is, we can talk about the next level of making an investment and opening a business.
If you made it this far, make sure you're sub, make sure you like it, and we will see you next time.
And hold on. Rewind. We're gonna do a giveaway, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna give away a pair of rocker tickets. Very simple. No money involved. Make sure you're following, liking, and subscribing to their stuff. And you gotta do the same to us. Follow, like, subscribe. I'm gonna drop a pair of rocker tickets. If we can get a lot of traction, I'll drop 2 games, baby. Let's go.
All right. I didn't even know that was gonna go down.
That's it, man. I'm all about surprises, brother. We pull it out the bag.
All right, guys. Tickets.
Best of luck to everyone.
All right. We're out, guys.
Peace. All right. That was awesome.
Unreal.
Sick.
Cool. Man,
Yeah.
thank you so
Watch
much.
your charity, bro. That was
Thank you,
good.
thank you. Yeah,
Good.
thank you. That's a nice little Potter.
Oh yeah.
Work hard and be good to your parents. Be nice to your parents. That's what it is, man. You gotta install some faith into the youth, you know? We're in a mad ghetto area right now, too. Wolner Ave, bro. $1 million fucking Lambo. Baby, it's the home of the Rolls Royces. We are the dealership alternative. Wheels, tires, we got you, baby. This time we teamed up with the guys over at Mechatronics. We did the urban wide body with the forged carbon inserts. And of course, baby, we topped it off 26-inch forged one-piece SV1 X02 Savinis, baby. The polished finish, and of course, baby, perfect fitment, dialed in. But my customer's crazy. He just ordered another set of 26s, 3-piece, forged, so he can switch it out. That's how it goes over here, baby. You want them? We got them. All right, baby. Follow me, and let's go into the jungle. We got the green guts, baby. We're talking money green. Because y'all know you gotta have that money to have this big boy. All right, guys, a quick rundown what the urban kit consists of when you're doing these wide body Cullinans. It's a full front bumper replacement. We got the fender arches on the front and the rear. We got the forged carbon side skirts. And of course, like I said, the full bumper replacements. The rear bumper with valance is a full replacement. Exhaust tips, mid spoiler, top spoiler. I don't know what else to say, baby. This is a full, complete build. 26s, it's kitted, it's fitted, it's PREMIERTIRE.CA, baby. We made the money from this neighborhood.
Young boys don't know about this, brother. Come on, take a ride with me.
This guy can never take criticism.